Hi, this is Joseph Mooradian with the Love Where You Live home team and brokered by eXp Realty. And today I'm over at the GL Homes new community of Lotus Palm. This is the Maldives model that I'm standing in, and it's their largest of all their 11 models. And it is just under 7,000 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and it comes with a 4-car garage. It also has a movie theater, a den, and a loft space, and an office. It's like, you name it, this house has got it. There's a model that is available right now if you're looking for a quick move-in over at the Lotus community, and that one is available, all decked out. It comes with the furniture, with all the furnishings. I'll show you a video a little bit after this, and you can give me a call for the price on that one. It just came back on the market 2 days ago. So let's take a tour of this home.
You make me look.
So I hope you like what you saw here in the Maldives model at GL Homes' Lotus Palm. If you're interested in this home or any of their other models or any of their other communities, which are in Naples, Estero, West Palm Beach, and Palm Beach Gardens, please give me a call at 407-244-4463. And remember, you should love where you live, and if you don't, give me a call and let's make that happen.